Hi there. This is a simple modification for the Ruger Gunsite Scout chambered in .308. For this mod, you will need a polymer magazine and one or more 5-round stripper clips. The clips can be used to load the magazine while detached from the rifle. With the help of a qualified gunsmith, a notch can be milled into the top of the receiver to allow top loading with the clips. The gunsmith will place your receiver in a mill and remove just enough metal to allow the tip of the bullets to pass freely. After checking for clearance and making adjustments, the bare metal will then be reblued. With a 5 or 10 round magazine in place, hook the edge of the stripper clip behind the feed lips and press straight down. Stripper clips not only speed the reloading process, but save space and weight while in the field. Thank you for watching and happy hunting.